Right, this problem, we're filling out a table. It says Mr. Smith keeps track of his students' homework completion. He keeps track of how many boys and girls do not complete their homework. He puts students who do not complete their homework into two categories. We have first-time offenders and repeat offenders. He uses a table to keep track of the results. In 1 month, 36 girls and 12 boys did not do their homework for the first time. So we're under first time. Girls is 36, boys is 12. There were 12 girls and 30 boys did not do their homework again, meaning they're repeat offenders. So it's 12 girls and 30 boys. So we add those to our table, and then we total down the column, total down this column, and then we total the rows. So
please pardon the interruption, this is just a test. Please pardon the interruption, this is just a test.
if we've totaled everything correctly, then when we total down this column and across this row, we should get the same number here. So we have 90 total when we add this way and 90 total when we add this way. If we didn't get the same number, then we made a mistake somewhere. We need to double check our work. Okay, how many students did not complete all of their homework assignments this month? So 90 students is our total. Those are the students who didn't complete their homework. How many of the students who did not complete their homework were boys who were first-time offenders? So we need to find the area where boys and first-time offenders meet in the table. So boys and first-time offenders is this box right here where it says 12. Are boys or girls more likely to not complete their homework? Explain your reasoning. So when we look at our totals over here, if we look at the boys' total, it's 42 out of 90, and we have 48 out of 90 for the girls. So who has a higher number of not completing their homework? The girls have the higher number of not completing their homework. So based on the information we have, we could say that the girls might have be more likely to not complete their homework, but something that we don't know is how many boys and girls are in his class total, because the percentages might be off. Like he might have,
once again, please pardon the interruption, this is just a test. Please pardon the interruption, this is just a test.
he might have more girls overall in his classes, and this might be a lower percentage of the total girls. So we're really not, we really don't have enough information to answer this question. If we only go based on those who are not completing their homework, there's a higher number of girls not completing their homework. But we're not really sure based on the percentages overall. All right, next we're going to look at the practice. We need to fill out this Venn diagram. Okay, for this question, remember we wanted to start where the overlap is. So we want to start where there's both. So we're going to put 42 in the both section. We need to label what we've got going on. Oops. So I'm going to put alive, and I'm going to put abducted. So 45 believe that Elvis is still alive. So in this circle, we have 42 already. So the difference would be 3. That would go to the alive section. 49 believe they have been abducted by space aliens. So we have 42 already. So 7 would go here. And then we need to look at our total, 64. So add up what we know so far. So far we know 3 plus 42 plus 7. So far we know 52. Our total is supposed to be 64. So that leaves us with 12 on the outside. How many believe neither things would be those guys on the outside, which is 12. How many believe Elvis is still alive but do not believe they have been abducted by space aliens? So Elvis is alive but not abducted would be this 3. How many believe they have been abducted by aliens but do not believe that Elvis is still alive? So abducted circle but leave out the Elvis. So that's 7. How many believe in only one of these things? So only one would be this 7 and only one would be this 3, and we've got to put those together. So 10.